say everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. If you're grateful to be alive here and now, let me see one in the chat. If you're grateful to be alive right here and now, can I get a one in the chat? Can I get a one in the chat? Can I get a one in the chat? If you're grateful to be alive, can I get a one in the chat? Welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Let me get one in the chat. Let me get one in the chat. Welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Now this is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language. We teach you a little patois, we call it patois. But not only that, guys, we also connect with people from around the world. So whether once you are of a different culture, we want to know about your culture and what you offer. Alright? Shout out to everybody that is in here so far. Welcome everybody again. Just to do a quick recap of last week. Now last week we had in our box Miss Spicy Delight. She represented 80, right? She told us that some of the things what we hear about 80, like us, like 80 being somewhat of a spiritual country where they do certain stuff different, which makes people afraid of them. It's actually true. She said that it's actually true. Another thing, she also mentioned that even though 80s like consider some of the, it's like some of the 80s like some is considered one of the places that most things happen to in 80s, but they also have a rich resources. Then we also saw Jujubee, which spoke about the infamous roti. I don't know if you know about roti, but when you talk about roti, you talk about curry goat. When you talk about curry goat, you talk about the Indian them from Jamaica. And the Indian them only live in Trinidad. Trinidad is really possessed of mostly Indian culture. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad. Now we are very happy to have you all here. Now the proverbs of today is Jackals know the use until they lose it. Again, the proverbs for today is Jackals know the use until they lose it. Right? Now at the end of the show, we will definitely tell you what it means if you don't know what it means. Again, the proverbs of today is Jackals know the use until, or cow know the use until they lose it. Now we're gonna play a little game. We're going to play a little game just to get you guys interacting, right? We're going to play a little game. I want to see who know the Jamaican song then. Now, if you can sing this song fully, I want you to jump in the box. If you can sing this song, more you jump in at the box. If you know this song, jump in at the box. If you know this song, jump in the box. If you know this song, jump in the box. If you know this song, jump in the box. If you can sing this song, I need a volunteer. Too much people in here. If you know this song, I want you to come and sing it in the box. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad. If you don't know that song, jump in at the box. Let me pull it up. Somebody, we need a volunteer. Can somebody sing this song? Who can sing this song? Who know this song? Can you name the artist? Can you name the song? Who coming up? Who coming up? Who coming up? Who is coming in the box? Alright, let's go run it through. Who can sing that song here? Let's go. Alright, who can sing that song here? right? And it's called Haters and Fool. If you want to know that song is called Haters and Fool by Beenie Man, which is a legendary dancehall artist in Jamaica. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. This is a culture show. We teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language, which is patois. But not only that, we're also intertwined. We connect with people from around the world. We connect with people from around the world, getting them to come and teach their culture and their language, right? Another one, so I want to get something. Come and see. I want to know cooperate. Who can type? The first person to type or come in the box. What is the name of this place? Who know the name of this place? What's the name of this place? The Jamaicans. Royal, no! Royal Promise. Oh, Jesus. What is the name of this place? White House. Oh, my God. What is the name of this place? Jamaicans. Anybody? Bobsled. Oh, God. What is the name of this place? What's the name of this place? River. We can't bother. Alright, so this is one of the attractions in Jamaica. This is called the Blue Hole, located in St. Anne's. Also, this is Mystic Mountains. This is an attraction in Jamaica where you can go and do bobsled and in the sky or whatever. And this now is another attraction. It's called Devanos, right? So that was Devanos, right? Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad. Shout out to the top 10 guitars so far. I see the number 2 working. I see my number 2 is at the top. The stream of the week. It ends today. Yeah, but she's the stream of the week. Shout out to the stream of the week. My number 2, my sister. Shout out to Nico. Shout out to Petty, Short and Sweet, Miles, Kokoma, Miss K, TT Mama, Ya, and Sniper. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. This is a culture show. We teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you, right? Whatever you want to know about Jamaica, we'll definitely educate you in this show. But not only that, it's not only about me, my heart. Don't forgive me. We're born up in Jamaica because we're rain. Whenever it's sun and rain in Jamaica, it's very humid. So even though we have on the fan, we are born up. Yeah. But coming to the box right now, I met this young lady. She came into my life and she started to talk. And she said, I'm from the Bahamas. I said, really? She was there gifting me and I was like, wanted to know if she's real. Because you know, sometimes people come in our life and they're actually they're not really real. Some of them are troll. So I wanted to know if she's a troll or whatever, because she was really talking and then she was interacting, but we didn't wonder what she about. However, she come in our box and we get to know each other, and I found out that she is from the Bahamas, right? She's from the Bahamas, but you know, she live a foreign. No, she kind of foreign. Now coming to the box, Miss Tanji, I'm gonna ask you to request the box real quick. Coming to the box representing the Bahamas, I'm gonna ask Miss Lovable Tanji to request the box. In the meantime, between time, right? Request the box for me, Miss Tanji, if you're still there. Let me see her come in here. Let me see if she's in there. You know, look like she's in there. Right. So let me move on until she come back. Oh, she did it. All right. She did it. All right. Welcome, everybody. Yaad and Abroad. Kaysweetness. You ready?
Hi.
We get there.
Go ahead.
Me turn up. Alright. You can hear me? Welcome everybody. So welcome to the box. You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Alright, so this lovely ladies, I'm just gonna ask you to introduce yourself and let the people know about you, and then we'll go ahead into the question.
Oh, okay. My name is Tanji, but I have Lovable Tanji as my name on tag. But it's really Tanji. I am from the Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamas. But I live in Miami.
Right. She live in
But I'm from Nassau.
But yeah, so Tanji, so you're representing the Bahamas. Oh God, it's not. So yeah, it's not no. But thank you guys. Let me see one one. Alright, this song lock up. Alright, again. Welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Yes, me very happy in the ear. Awesome. So Miss Tanji, tell me, where can we find the Bahamas?
It's an island. It's multiple islands. It's Nassau, Bahamas. There's Freeport. There's Andros. It's the Caribbean.
It's in the Caribbean. And what is your country famous for? What is the Bahamas famous for?
The Bahamas is famous for a lot of stuff. We have a lot of tourists. We have like different cultures. John Canoe, which is where people dress up in costumes on special occasions like Christmas, New Year's, Boxing Day. They wear colorful costumes in the street, playing music and dancing.
Okay. We can ask them to speak up a little bit because I think we're not hearing you clearly. I don't know what's going on. Me not really hear you clearly. Can you guys hear her clearly?
Could you all hear me? You can hear me better?
Yeah. Yeah, me hear better. Now, what is considered a good job in the Bahamas?
A good job is when you have a job. But they have different jobs.
Okay. Over here. When she say, I mean not here good. I mean not here good. She said, a good job is if you have a job. It's a good job is if you have a good job. I can't, but what she said, good job
because they have good jobs, but when the COVID came in, it wasn't a lot of jobs available since the COVID came. But they have good jobs. They have banking. They have different jobs. I mean, it's what you like to do. It doesn't depend on the. Go ahead.
So, coming to Bahamas, right? Right, so it's the same thing like Jamaica. We're hustlers. There's not always, work is not always available in Jamaica. But you see, Caribbean people are made to hustle. If you never know, we born for hustle. I always started in the show that we were born to hustlers. We're born hustlers. Right? If you know a Caribbean person, them not gonna suffer. You're not gonna see a Caribbean person suffering. Them always find something to fill in the blank, right? So what are some of the national dishes of Bahamas?
We have grouper. We have snapper. We have goggle-eye fish. Have you ever heard about that? Because I know y'all eat snapper. I know that. Because I met some people from Jamaica and all they talk about is fish.
Yeah, we love snapper. We love the snapper. But like, so what is one of your main dishes that you guys eat?
Our main dish, we eat the same thing like you. We do curry curry chicken. We do oxtail.
Yeah, me saw something, but anyway, come like you forget the Bahamas is conch place. You sure you come from Bahamas? What is going on with your Tandy?
What you said? Conch? Yes, we have conch salad, fried conch fritters.
What? Conch? Yeah, I the conch me want hear about. I the conch me want hear about.
Oh, no, you said dishes. That's not a dish. That's like an appetizer. Conch fritters.
What is main food where Bahamas people eat? What them eat?
We conch fritters, conch salad.
A dish. It's a dish. I don't know what she mean. But
Y'all call it a dish. When we go to fish fry, we get conch salad, fried conch. That's not.
It's a dish. Yes.
That's a dish. Okay.
It's a dish. Don't stress me out. It's a dish. You're stressing me out.
That's a dish for y'all.
It's a dish. You know you're stressing me. I don't know why you're stressing me. Come like them nervous. She nerving us. So she crying out. Like she you know long she away from this and now she in here. She, miss, calm down. It's me, same one. No, don't look on the numbers. If you not just a join way, me very happy to eat here. I'm very happy when you can join. Big up to everybody who are in here. Some of them in a long time, but me very happy to soon. Yeah. Welcome to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Now this is a cultural show. You see, we teach Jamaican culture and we teach patois. But not only that, we connect with the different people them around the world. Yeah, so like Tanji now, she represent the Bahamas. When is the best time to travel to the Bahamas?
In the summer.
In the summer?
Yes.
And
when it's
coming
the
to
summer.
the Bahamas, what a wicked something. Coming to the Bahamas.
Huh?
What are some of the things that we must know, we should know before we travel to the Bahamas?
Carry your sunscreen. People like the beach.
Yeah, one of the era, carry on a sunscreen.
Carry your sunscreen because the tourist likes the beach. And that's one of the attractions because they have different stuff on the beach.
We know it's the Bahamas place is tourist place because we know it's known for the tourist. But if you come, but coming to Bahamas, when we're there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where are some of the places that we should avoid? What are some of the places that we should avoid?
Where you should avoid the ghetto. No, why I said that because Nassau, like I told you, we have different islands, but Nassau is like a smaller island. It's a small island. So we have downtown, we have Cable Beach, we have out west, like different spots. Don't go in the ghetto. I don't advise tourists to go in the ghetto. Stay in the open, like downtown, like Alwaki, like stuff like that.
Well, we would have said the same thing, but in all truth and fact, in Jamaica, guys, in Jamaica, the ghetto is where you find the best parties, the best entertainment, the best of everything is in the ghetto in Jamaica. We know we go Kingston. But truth be told, even chicken back, I mean, love my chicken back. When I reach miles, I tell you this, and when I reach chicken back and tin mackerel after eat, don't jam me out, but because somebody in the chat are trying to draw me out. But continuing. So tell me, coming to the Bahamas, right? Coming to the Bahamas. What are some of the traditional holidays that you guys celebrate?
What we celebrate? We celebrate what? Listen,
Miss Una have a holiday one year. Bahamas there. You guys celebrated a holiday, right, Sean?
we have Independence. Yeah, Independence Day, which is the 10th.
Yeah.
Which just passed.
Mm-hmm.
We have what else we have? Listen, we have the same things. Christmas.
Alright, we don't have pressure, yo. So, what are some of the main attractions? What are some of the main attractions in the Bahamas that we must see? We must see
when you go. When you go, they have fish fries, where they have fish and fries, and they have a couple of stuff because they do junk canoe on the park right there.
Yeah, where are some of the places that we must see? Where are some of the places that we must see before we leave the Bahamas?
We have to go Cable Beach. They have a tour bus. Cable Beach is a very nice area. Out west have like beautiful houses and stuff like that.
Atlantis.
Atlantis. I reached there yet because that's over the bridge. That's Paradise Island. You going ahead of me? You going ahead of me? Atlantis. Atlantis has pool of like attraction for the kids, different activities. It's nice. Atlantis is a very nice place.
Alright. So tell us, why should we visit Bahamas? Why you think that your country is ideal to be? Why you recommend that people visit the Bahamas?
But Bahamas is a nice place. The beaches are beautiful. The water is clear. The water is very clear, and then they have
accent.
You can get souvenirs.
Hear it in a tone like our one, but it's different. Wanna hear it?
We have broken English too.
Yeah, but like you guys, do your sound like patois, or is it different?
It's just like talking bad. It's not like you say. So you don't hear what I'm saying? Come here. You know what I mean? It's not really that different. Your partner.
Yeah, that sounds different. But we wanna guys, hello, we might not say it, but please stay hit Miss Lovable Tangy with a favor. Put a wire on the screen if you favor, guys. At least 10 fail from here. Hello? At least 10 fail from here. Please, guys, put a wire on the screen if you favor. She's new. She kind of new to the Top Street. And she came and she's very friendly. She's also a gifter. So don't worry yourself. Yeah. But yeah, make sure to hit her with a favor, guys. Tangy, I want to thank you so much for accepting my invitation to be a guest.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for coming. Guys, make sure you hit her with a fave, guys. Click on her name. So where can we find you? Do you stream? And are you on social media?
I'm on social media. I stream, but not all the time. When I come on, it will pop up.
Awesome. I want to thank you so much, Lovable, for coming. We definitely appreciate you representing for Bahamas. Thank you so much for coming. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Now, this is a culture show. show where we teach you the Jamaican culture, we teach you the Jamaican language, which is patois. We chat patois. We chat patois. We chat patois. Welcome everybody, right? We could do a little tune. We could do a little tune. Oh, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. See them a go with themselves. Make me big up the guitars, them. Alright, big up to my number 1, DJ Clutch. Big up my number 2, Miss Top Shelf. Big up Miles. Big up Nico, DN, Penny, Auntie M, Short, Kokoma, Miss K. Alright, that's at the top 10. Top 10. Oh, now go with yourself again. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. This is a culture show. We teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you the Jamaican language. Make sure y'all hit me with a fave. Click on the box. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Wanna follow me on Instagram, no? Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Check out our YouTube. If you missed the show last week, if you missed any of our shows, we post all our shows on YouTube. So if you missed last week's show or any other show and you would like to go back and check it out, check us out on YouTube at Kaysweetness. That's Kaysweetness. Check us out on YouTube at Kaysweetness. Also, if you want to see some clips from our show, check out our TikTok at Yaad and Abroad official. My daughter just make it, so she there so nudge me, and I say, mommy, Yaad and Abroad TikTok. So check out our TikTok. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Now this lady when me I come out with, big up to my daughter, she just make me TikTok for Yaad and Abroad. Yaad and Abroad has its own TikTok, it have its own YouTube, it still have Instagram to work on it. Yeah, but this lady, when we are bring to the box, she is my tag wife. I call her my tag wife. She is a Canadian that I said is an alien. I don't know. I tell her every day that a bird took her from Canada or took her from Jamaica, and then she ended up, a bird took her. I tell her every day that a bird took her from Jamaica and fling her at Canada because she not act like she not Canadian. However, she know look at something what we are going to work with. But to me, she's a Jamaican, even though she has never been to Jamaica. But it's Jamaica. But I think you can tell so right now that she is not a Jamaican. This is my boss of the week. Guys, make sure you favor. Watch her. Make sure you favor. This is my boss of the week. Right? This is my tag wife. She's my tag wife. Hello? She's my tag wife.
Okay.
Right? I'm not here good. I'm turning up again. Yeah. Welcome to the box, guys. Make sure you hit her with a fave. This is the Miss Lovely Solo. Solo, go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell us about you, how long you've been streaming, and what you bring to the table before we get along.
Alright, hi guys, I'm Solo, your favorite Canadian chocolate, 100% Canadian chocolate. There's no mix or match inside of me. It's 100% Canadian chocolate, okay? I stream every day, morning times. Bad Gold Days is me and K Day, so Bad Gold Day you don't see me. I'm in K stream. That's where you can catch me, in Kaysweetness stream, alright? So,
She nervous, man.
I'm in a rush right now. I had a lot going on.
Calm down. We don't know why I'm gonna come in here nervous. Why you nervous?
I'm not nervous. I was in a rush just now, just for you. So, only for you, okay?
So I have a show going on here every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You know, you guys check me out on that on Mondays. The Hunt with Solo. Scavenger Hunt. Kaysweetness, Top Shelf, supposed to be on there on Monday. So you make sure you come check it out and see who has everything in their house.
Guys, so if you don't want to see me around up and down, breakless, to go find things that to find. I don't know what you're going to find. I tell her, I say, remember, so we live at Jamaica, so we not have everything. So, yeah. Yeah, alright. So, again, guys, check out Solo's new show. It's a new show. It's called The Hunt. Every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? It's a future featured as well, right? Also, right after this, about 11 o'clock, I don't know if the lady that's still in here. You're still in here? Check out the after show with Coco, right? Check out the after show with Coco. It's a future feature. But if you have a show that you would like to be viewed, or you like about it, reach out to Coco. She definitely highlight your show. Alright, Coco, Solo, tell us, where can we find Canada, for those who don't know?
Canada, to my knowledge, is in North America, so it's by the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, North of America. That's the most I know. I don't really know too much. I just know I live here.
You know what? Here, you can know too much. Just answer it. Don't make me pretend.
North of America.
And what is Canada famous for?
There's a couple things that, like, there's only one thing I know Canada's known for, and that was the Underground Railroad, which were the slaves ran to, with Harriet Tubman. They ran to Canada for independence and freedom. And where I'm from, in Nova Scotia, Canada, the land where my family is from, North Preston, Nova Scotia, is a land where they were given. The people who ran from the States all the way to, slaves who ran away all the way to Canada. That's where they're from. So that's a part of history for me. Go ahead.
Awesome. And what are some of the traditions of Canada that is not celebrated anywhere else but in Canada?
Well, we have Canada Day, which is July 1st. We just celebrated it before, 4th of July. So Canada Day comes first. We have Family Day, which is in February. I don't really know too many holidays. A lot of people don't. We have Thanksgiving in Canada is different from the States. It's not on the same day or in the same month. And we have Christmas, Easter, Good Friday, all this stuff. We have Halloween. We have Civic Holiday, which is Natal Day, which is for every first Monday of August is a national holiday too. And we have Victoria Day, which is in May.
Awesome. And when is the best time to visit Canada?
During the summer, between the months of July and August. Unless you like the cold, you can come in the winter, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would not recommend it.
Yes, if you learn nothing so far, put a one in the chat. Let me know it's on still in them up 204 people in here. If you don't learn something so far, put a one in the chat. If you don't learn something, put a one in the chat. Now me get a one miles. I know you can't read, but I say one. Miles, I say one. Alright, we can get a one in the chat. If you're learning, if you have grasped something, if you learn something that you never know before, put a one in the chat. I understand it's a pretty American through a little Down syndrome moment, not to bash Down syndrome, but it look like that. But yeah, again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness in the box. We have representing Canada. Guys, make sure to favor. Tap on her name, you go so, tap, and feel. I don't know if I over here, so she got over here, so, but she did somewhere right there. So, tap on her name and hit her with a fave. If you don't know her, fave. This is a fave party. If you want to see somebody want to know, fave everybody in the comments. Fave the reds them. You see the red people them? we are working with the red people them, right? I see the people them are yellow and the green people them. I say if you know blue, just do something to change up that. Fix it. Alright. So what are some of the places when we visit Canada that we must see before we leave?
It depends on which part of Canada you go. I live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Canada. Overall.
I can't say overall Canada. Visit Toronto, because Canada is different in different places. So if you go to Toronto, where I live, you have the CN Tower where you must visit. You have the aquarium, which I took my kids to today. Yeah, that's the CN Tower. That's what they call the view from the 6 is CN Tower. It's a big, long tower. I don't really know too much places you can visit, but if you like boardwalks, they have that on Lakeshore, Canada, Niagara Falls.
You can wait till you say the big something. See that on there, so. See on there? Niagara Falls. Everybody go to Canada, go forget it. What?
I'm sorry, for me,
Niagara Falls is Canada from America. Miss, but tell her, alright, when is Jamaica National Holiday? Let's ask you something. When is Jamaica's National Independence Day? Come make me ask you about Jamaica. Because you see, me tell you no. Me tell you no. Talk it. Yeah. Me did say it, you know. Me say it to her in a top share. But make we continue. We not go to her. Make we stay on the path of righteousness for his name sake. Me did talk it, but yeah, make we continue. This little girl that come to upset me. Alright. What coming to Canada? What is considered? What should we consider? What should we know before coming to Canada? Before we come to Canada, what we know?
Okay, so if you decide to come to Canada in winter time, it's very brutal. Bring a jacket. I'm going to tell you right now, bring a jacket, snow pants, boots, all that stuff. Be prepared for the winter because it's cold. If you come in the summertime, sunscreen. We have lots of beaches, but they're very fur. No, the snow is really different over here. It's hard and very cold. But summertime, just warm. Spring is more time. Where I'm at is hot. Fall is rainy and cold. Umbrellas, because when it hits
Canada always cold, basically. Them really get hot. Like them hot now, but
summertime, spring to summer. Spring, I say like May, June, July, August, September, maybe beginning of September to the middle is hot.
Awesome. And what are some of the main dishes that you guys? What are some of your like? Canada is known for that specific type of food.
We have. Yes, we have Canadian bacon, Canadian maple syrup. We have poutine, which is apparently a Canadian dish. A national dish is poutine, which is basically just fries, gravy, and cheese curds. You know what cheese curds are? They're thick pieces of cheese, but it's a national dish in Canada. Where I'm from in Nova Scotia, Canada, we're known for our fish and lobster and stuff like that.
And where are some of the places that we should avoid if we come? We don't want you here to get so. Please don't say it. Don't say it. No say it. Where are some? Where are some of the places that we should avoid when we are in? Are there any places? Or what are the do's? As a Jamaican, let's say as a Jamaican, we're from a homophobic country, right? What are the don'ts when we are in Canada? As a Jamaican coming up there, what are the don'ts? What are some of the things that we shouldn't do?
As a Jamaican coming here, you really can't judge. You should not judge because everybody is very diverse and very open here. Like, this is like a freedom land for a lot of people. So we just had our Pride Month. As you know, June was Pride Month. People were free to be themselves. You know, don't come, don't judge. Just, but you know, people stay to themselves. So you know, you can be who you are. Just, you know, mind other people and who they are too.
Careful when you talk. When you go to Canada, you will get locked up.
No, you won't. You're very polite. Canadians are very polite.
Don't judge the people. Listen to the people that do them things. Jamaicans. Don't judge. Don't judge. Just leave the people them alone. Leave them alone. Don't let the people in place and go make trouble. No go. And what are some of like what's the major sports that Canada plays? Father God.
Canada's major sports, we have basketball. Raptors is our only basketball team here, and the Toronto Raptors, and we have our Toronto Blue Jays, which are our baseball team, and we have hockey is like our national sport here. Snowboarding, sledding, all that winter stuff.
Una stress out, I'm not want to stress out. If we just join, we don't know what. The place get quiet. Una in here, if una in here, put a K in the chat. If una still in here, I want to see one K in the chat. Welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad. We understand some Miles and Petty can't read, so we're going to ignore them. But welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad. If una still in here, I want to see one K in the chat. 1K. Put a K in the chat. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Yaad and Abroad. Let me shout out to the top 10 gifters so far. Right. So I'm going to say my number one, Mr. Clutch himself. Shout out to Top Shelf. My number 2, my sister. Miles in number 3. Nico in number 4. Dane in number 5. Petty. Untamed. Short and Sweet. Kokoma and Lifestyle Fitness. Guys, make sure you fave all of the gifters them in here. On the fave all of the gifters them in here. Now tell me, why do you recommend that people come and visit? Or if I should, why would you recommend that people migrate to Canada? Why would you recommend that we come and live in Canada?
I wouldn't recommend people come and live in Canada. I can't even sugarcoat it. I would not.
Why?
We got free healthcare, guys. Canada has free healthcare.
Hello, guys. Me and take out my box. This is a do-over. We're going to do an over. We're going to get this. This is not a real Canadian. She was taken by a bird from Jamaica to Canada.
I am a real Canadian.
She's not. Listen. We're not doing over. We're going to get a real Canadian for coming in because she is not. We didn't tell her. Top Shelf, you never hear me tell her. You only remember me, I tell her. She is not a real Canadian. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. This is a culture show where we teach you the Jamaican culture. We teach you Patois, which is our Jamaican language. But not only that, we also get people from around the world to come and teach you their culture. And if they have different language, they also teach us a different language. In the box, make sure you hit her with a fave. She lives in Canada. Me feel there by force. Not by choice. In the box, make sure the favor is my top wife. So that's why I can talk to her like that. It's not recommended that you guys talk to her like that. She's my wife. Alright, yeah, we understand. Yeah. In the box, we have Miss Solo, right? She is also my boss of the week, so guys, please show some respect to her. Hit her with a fave. Hit her with a fave. I'm not going to beat her on the show, but let's hold you to off. Yeah. Solo. Tell us, why would you recommend that tourists come to Europe? Why would you recommend before we go to that, what's the economy like for you? Like, what are some of the benefits of Canada that you won't find anywhere else in the world that you wouldn't trade?
We have free healthcare. We have free healthcare. You know, people, medications. People 25 and under get free medications, depending on what the medications is. That's the biggest benefit. Going to hospitals is not expensive. After that, the government kind of helps you.
Mothers.
You know, you get.
Let's talk about the motherhood. Let's talk about motherhood. Let's talk about mother.
I mean, we get child tax every 20th, you guys. The government likes to help us out a little bit, you know. Depending on how many children you have, you get a sum of money, you know. And depending on if the kid is over 6 or under 6, you might get an extra $100 on the 20th.
So if you know what only for children for the government mind, you know, in a patois. If you don't want to breed out what if a picnic, if you don't want to have a basketball team and you want to help with it, go Canada, go England, go Canada, but go Canada. Go Canada. Alright, go Canada. So before you come.
Also, let me include, if you don't have papers and your kids don't have papers, your kids are allowed to still go to school here in Canada.
I didn't something them why you tell me. So I
forgot. I just thought about it when you started talking about.
We don't want to come there for look for you alone. We want to come there because we are going to benefit. Jamaicans like benefits. If we don't have no benefits, no
Listen, I feel Jamaican education is much better than Canadian education.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about the benefits. We know what that. We can teach you people something.
Go ahead.
We know look something we can teach them. We have YouTube. We teach them everything I find. Everything teach them by YouTube. Yeah. Well, yeah. Also, before you go, I want to thank you so much for accepting my invitation as a guest on here. But before you go, let the people know how often you stream, where they can find you on social media, and talk about your show just a little bit.
Okay, well, I stream off and on here mornings, most likely mornings, sometimes night, depending on my days and schedules. You already know Bad Gold Days catch me in Kaysweetness live because I'm a wife, you know. I have to come home sometimes, not all the time, sometimes. I'm on Instagram, solo_tag. You can find me on there. I'm just setting up my YouTube for my show, which is The Hunt, which is going to be each and every Monday. It's our Future show. It's hopefully Future show. Each and every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a scavenger hunt show, which will have 3 contestants each and every week come in and prove that they're faster and they know their household and they know how to get things quick. This Monday, we will have Kaysweetness and Top Shelf in there, and another one. We're working on the third one because, you know, but it's going to be lit. It's going to be fun. You come, you get your laugh.
If my plan for runway, she call up my name. So she call my name. So she call up my name. She try to keep account of it. Yo, she call my name, no. She try to make sure someone knows, say, she frozen. Who frozen?
I'm frozen.
Me? Who frozen? She, me, and she kind of got you one little part. Yeah, she, all right, she come back. Yeah, she got you one part. But yeah. But I want to thank you so much, Solo, for taking the time out of your busy. It's a busy day here, you know. Couldn't actually understand. But thank you so much, Solo, for taking the time out of your busy schedule. Be on the show. We definitely do appreciate you. Yeah. But yeah, guys, make sure you hit her with a fave, guys. Check her out. She's always live. She streams a lot. She's a black VIP and she's very generous to people, generous to her especially. So no come correct. She's a black VIP and she yeah. But yeah, thank you so much, Solo, for being here. We definitely do appreciate you guys. Make sure you check her out. Check out our new show. That's this Monday, starting this Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's The Hunt. It's a scavenger hunt But she telling us to go find things and have to come back and so I'm stressed already. But yeah, thank you so much, Sola. I love you. Yes. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. This is a culture show. Now, if you are someone you know who is of a different culture other than me, them live in Jamaica and they have a different culture from me. Them ear different from my ear. Or them probably look different from me. I want to know they can come in the live, come chat to me. Me I look for a Rasta in case you know the Rasta. Me I look for a real Rasta man in my heart for next week. But I just tell you in case you don't know one, I want a Rasta man for next week show. Alright. So again, welcome everybody. So shout out to the top 10 gifters again. Shout out to the top 10 gifters, guys. These gifters are important. Without the gifters, we're nothing. It don't make no sense. So shout out to the top 10. Big up Clutch, big up Top Shelf, Miles, Nico, Bud, big up Dan, big up Petty, big up Antiem, Short, and Singful. Welcome again, everyone. Now, this person, my very special guest. But guys, before we end the show, before we go into the special guy, check me out this Sunday, guys. I'm a person of action. I don't only have Yaad and Abroad. I host actions as well. And each month I have a different action, right? Now this month, the action is face, feet, and bonnet. You can check me out this Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for face, feet, and bonnet. If you don't like when people wearing a name, come support these lovely ladies in our action for this Sunday. And coming up next month, we have a Yaadi action. We have a Yaadi action. It's called Represent the Yard. It's our independence action. If you would like to be a part of this action, reach out to me. It's open. It's on August 7th, and it's for Yaadi. So if you come from Jamaica, this action is for you. But this Sunday is face, feet, and bonnet. Unfortunately, you can join because you're not Canadian. But yeah, what did I say? Again, welcome everybody. Now, this person that I'm about to introduce, I have seen him around. I know that he's an artist. I also follow him on TikTok, and I follow him on Instagram. I've always seen him in other people's show performing and doing this thing. I think he's an established rapper. I hope he's still in here. He's an established rapper. He's also a top badge here. He have one different number from I don't know what the number I have. Him up there. So, Nico, are you still here? Before we Nico, I'm gonna ask you, Nico 16, to request the box if he's still in there. He's still in there. Wanna see him? If you wanna see him, call him for me. But our special guest is Nico 16. Right? He's gonna close the show for me. Guys, make sure you fave all the gifters. Fave all the gifters, guys. Fave all the reds, all the green, all the yellow, blues. Alright. Well, welcome to the box. It's Mr. Nico 16. He's coming to the box. Go ahead and introduce yourself. And then go ahead and do your thing. Can't hear it. Did you see me All right. You mash up the song.
They say patience is a virtue.
Don't do me. Let me know.
Oh, me, you feel me? But nah, man. Big up everybody, man. You feel me? Bless up. A lot of people don't know on my grandma's side, it's Creole and Jamaican. You feel me? People don't know that. You feel me? On my soul, yeah. But yeah, we finna get it cracking though. You feel me? I'm performing this song called Just Like Dice. It's on all platforms. Of course, it's the clean version. This is the featured show, you feel me? So I got the clean version for y'all, you feel me? Let's get it. You feel me? I know are you looking, but are you filming? Oh my God, 16 minutes. Just like dice, the way I'm rolling. I got money, so I show it. I said a day like I'm heroic. Cause I got words like I'm a poet. Just like dice, the way I'm rolling. I got money, so I show it. I said a day like I'm heroic. Cause I got words like I'm a poet. Just like dice, the way I'm rolling. I got money, so I show it. I said a day like I'm heroic. Cause I got words like I'm a poet. It's the modern day, Langston Hughes, making blues. Diamonds, they shining, got on amazing jewels. Mister, get up out my way, make some room. Cause I am never stagnant, I'm always making moves. Not an emperor, but found a new groove. Pharaoh in the flesh, I'ma need a tomb. It's the sun shining, no type of gloom. Flashing like lightning across your views with a vivid radiance. Swag out of this world, like it live with aliens. Live in the States, but some of my jewelry made by Canadians. I'm winning like Tom Brady did when he played for the Patriots. That's why these rings I got on look like I won Super Bowls. It's Mr. Make a Honey Nut, no Cheerios. Mr. Put a op in the box like cereal. I'm a king, no butter, but I'm imperial. Just like dice, the way I'm rolling. I got money, so I show it. I said a day like I'm heroic, cause I got words like I'm a poet. Just like dice, the way I'm rolling. I got money, so I show it. I said a day like I'm heroic, cause I got words like I'm a poet. Just like dice, the way I'm rolling. I got money, so I show it. I said a day like I'm heroic, cause I got words like I'm a poet. Yes, sirski. You feel me? Had to get Kaysweetness right. You hear me? And before I leave this, y'all better keep this. Save it, don't delete this. She got all the haters sour, cause she Kaysweetness. You hear me? Neek 16 on all platforms, man. You hear me? I go by Neek 16. I know right now y'all say Nico, but it's Neek 16. You can check me out on all platforms. That song is on Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, iHeartRadio, whatever y'all listen to, even Amazon Music. Whatever y'all listen to, just type in Neek 16, YouTube, all that. You know, I appreciate you for having me on the show. Blessings, you feel it's on Tubi and all that. Even though that's illegal, don't be doing that. Just listen to it legally so I can get my royalties. Yeah. But salute, big up themselves. One, go on, big up, bless up, you know.
Big up yourself. Big up your class. Yeah. So, yeah, Neek 16, you know, check him out on our platform. That's Neek 16. He's a top badge here as well. Salute to the top badge them in on the stream right here. I know. Big up, Uno. Yeah, again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad. Now, if you are someone you know would like to be on this show, this is a culture show, so we want everybody that is of a different culture. If you don't have a culture, nobody asks. Please, for the love of God, not ask. We just tell you, not ask, right? But if you are of a different culture from me or anybody else that is already on the show, or you just feel like your culture is needed to be heard, you come from Kingston and we come from Clarendon. I want to know about Clarendon, I want to know about Kingston. Just example. You're from New York and I'm from Texas. I want to know about your culture. You don't have to be from a different culture, a different country, let's say. You're from South Carolina. I live at Kingston, Jamaica. I want to know about South Carolina too, right? I want to know about the culture because every area have a different culture. Every person, right? My number one is from Baltimore. I want to know about Baltimore too. So it's everywhere in the world has a different culture. We do things different everywhere. What we do here in Jamaica, y'all don't do it in America, right? Like, say for instance, when we tell people, say, we have KFC, and we have Burger King, and we have Domino's, Little Caesars, Papa, them are asking, So them have them someday. Hello. When don't make me embarrassed, you know. We are not savages. We have everything. We have AC, we have Wi-Fi, we have everything. We have everything. When I don't do it up. Yeah. We have everything in Jamaica. Everything. The only thing we all have on the US dollar, we love getting no money. We not go around it. Send no money come. We like it. Send it. But yeah. Big up everybody that's in here. Salute to everybody that's been in here. We love and appreciate. And the chicken back, I know it might like a chicken back or something, but I'm still ending it from my 2 dishes. I cook chicken back 2 times this week. And Miles are doing me up like saying more. But Miles, so let me do you up on the featured show with the chicken wings where you say you had chicken. And the Miles, you want me to stop? Let's say stop. Let's stop. Let's say stop. Alright, Miles. Alright. But again, big up everybody that was in here, guys. Make sure you check us out on YouTube at Kaysweetness, guys. Please follow me on Instagram, guys. It's Kaysweetness_tag. That's Kaysweetness_tag. But guys, you can just click on my name, scroll to the bottom, and you see the Instagram, the Facebook, the Instagram, the YouTube, and the TikTok. The new Instagram page for Yaad and Abroad is Yaad and Abroad Official, guys. Check us out on TikTok. It's Yaad and Abroad Official, right? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Well, guys, make sure to come out with look at something again this Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check us out here, right here in my stream. We'll be versing some lovely ladies for the face beat and bonnet. Shout out to Top Shelf. She's one of the contestants. Shout out to Untamed. She's also one of the contestants. Shout out to Solo. She's also a contestant. Guys, if you don't like when people wear on the name, Nico, you can come check it out. Nico, come check it out. Come buy them. Come buy some of these ladies. This Sunday at 8 p.m. it's face beat and bonnet action. And guys, we're taking sign up for the Independence Day action for August 7th. So if you're interested in being a part of the Independence Day action, the Jamaican Independence Day action, reach out to me. Again, make sure y'all know that faith. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Only make sure to follow me. Please follow me on Instagram. I can't say it no more. When we done the show, I'm supposed to see about 5 new followers because the link there on my bio. Just click on my name and scroll down at the bottom. I want to see. We know we're not the bottom around here, but we still say. Alright. Scroll to the lower part of the one part. Scroll down on one part. I want to see the Instagram down at the part. Alright, no bottom. Alright. Them say no bottom. But scroll down at the part. Alright, scroll down at the part. Please follow me on Instagram, guys. Follow me on YouTube, guys. We're trying to get to our first 100 followers on